I want you to believe with conviction that this mediocre life you and those that resemble you have been living is over. Here are a few fundamental things I want you to understand. You have got to understand that the well-being and wealth of a people is directly dependent on the land of that people. Wealth in general comes from the soil of the earth. I want you to understand that nations are wealthy because of two things. Number one, land. Number two, knowledge. Do you have those in your world? Well, if not, your mission is to acquire those. I want you to understand that the current social well-being and wealth of the world is totally reliant on two natural resources. The first, that which the human here call radio. Second, that which the human here call electricity. Have you excelled in the knowledge or mastery of those? Have you? Well, your mission is to excel in those and discover even more. If radio and electricity is suddenly rendered inaccessible to those whose dominion you are in, suddenly the playing field will be almost even. They need not be rendered inaccessible, however. You have got to excel in that department. Couple that with the acquisition of land for natural resources, plus knowledge, suddenly the notion of dominion is a bag on. The structure of the current wealth of the world is not that complex. It relies on the few factors I just mentioned here. Money is not wealth. It is just funny paper. It can be supplanted by a points system.